Hi there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to connect Printful with Wix and manage payments. So for this, I am here on Wix and this is the website that I am editing. So for this, first of all, go to App Market and here in search bar, search for Printful. Okay, so go with the first one here. And there you will find the first app which is known as Printful. So simply add it to your site. Click on it and there we have add to site option. Click on add to site. Click on agree and add. Okay, so now here we need to authorize that we already have account with Printful. So I will continue with that account. Click on connect store. And now your Printful will be added to Wix site. Now you can manage payments with Printful on Wix. This is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you have any question, please comment down below and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. Bye.